contractor complex for everybody, and will be scheduling and budgeted by Primavera. This is I will explain to the owner how to do this initial, but for consultant and contractor will be the final plan, so that he can executing or to execute the project, and can be compared with plan if it is okay or not during execution. First, I will go to the owner. I will educate this owner how to make his initial project plan and budget. As there is, we want here, this job is required some information to be gained by the owner. First, complete approved drawings. We have to send all these drawings very complete, so that because the planners to see and analyze this task. Form of selected tender, if it is key 10 or key 10 by items or measurement, or that the contractor only to get this equipment and workers, or that the final one, that the owners to do the job of contractor by himself. The third information, wanted the stage, whole or part of the project. He want to execute part or whole, only one go up to finish his project. He have to tell about submission period, if it is how many months, for example 3 months, 4 months or so, or to let it for the planners to do this himself by the period of the periods. Work process. The work process is analyzes these tasks and make scheduling and relationship between the tasks and duration of any task, and so the relationship of the task. This information to be in this process, insert information into Primavera for scheduling. This is information to be applicating this Primavera application, and this do this scheduling, and to differentiate which critical path and critical task and so on. And some tasks are float, not affect the end of the project. Give scheduling to the consultant to be part of the agreement. The owner, he has to give this initial plan for execution plan, it is for to be part of the agreement through the consultant to the contractor. And this can be by the first and second units, will be at the end of the screen. First, just explain to the corner how to read and these terminologies of these Primaverans, or any plan even. This is the second is the uh, practical unit, so that this is for scheduling, but budget done by Excel. This budget can be by Excel. After doing this initial plan, we have to go to the consultants and contractors for a detailed scheduling and budget and cash flow. For this cash flow, very important to the contractor to be ready to and all the owner to be ready to pay. Required information. There is some required information to be given by this consultant or contractor. A complete agreement document. This is one of the very important information to get it to do that, the plan. A form of selected tender, we told it as honor. So that this is the final. Wanted stage, is it whole or part of the project? This is also if you this contract for part or the whole project in one go to finish, or part then stop then do the final. This is agreed submission period. This is by agreement. This period of the finish of the project, and this is to give these daily working hours. Sometimes these hours may be 4 and 1 hour rest and 4, or to be in 2 shifts also, so that to be, and weekly working hours. This is weekly, maybe the end of the week, some holidays or vacancies, and this is an annual calendar all within project period. This is the this is for the whole. If there is some celebrations or some national days or so, to be away, or even some labors may have some vacancies, their vacancies, so that they will go and this is to be solved. And you have to know the calendar of this. The work process. After getting all this information, we will go to the second step. It is analysis of this information for scheduling and duration of task. Every task has its duration, how many days or months to be finished, and this is we have to insert this information analysis into Primavera for scheduling. All this detailed information to be inserted in the Primavera application for scheduling. Insert resources and pricing. Resources can be all. It is materials, equipments. This is a category of the resources: materials, equipment, and workmanship, and subcontractors or nominated contractors also. And these resources to be priced, but this pricing, it is confidential for the contractor, so that this pricing may be done by others. It is something of the utilities of the contractor. He have to be he's confidential, so that you can put some only assumptions, but not in the agreement. So this pricing is something known by the contractor and consultant and the owner. And this is daily working hours. Also, we have explained this. We have explained this here. this daily working hours, which we call it by shift or one group was in, but there is some rest in within these periods. And the weekly working hours annual calendar within the project appears. This is maybe weekly working there. This is the end week holidays, and this is annual calendar for national days and non-work days within this project period. We plan this project in period, so that the second we call this is for scheduling and relationships between the tasks. Third unit is for resources and pricing. This is only assumptions, can be even something only for planning, so that the contractor build his prices. Fourth unit for this risk management. So this risk management have many categories, and this can be environmental, can be مثلا for example rains or seasonal problems. And he put the calendar the calendar to be inside this scheduling. The days that workable days and non-workable days, maybe daily or weekly or monthly or annually, and this is depends on the calendar. And also for reports during this execution of the project. All this for scheduling, but budget done by Excel. This budget and cash flow done by the Excel. Thank you very much.